two stocks today. One is IBRX, that's one of the multi-bagger that we have flagged. It has a news today, and that led to a drop from $950 to almost $650, so losing almost 30%. I made an entry point around 7.26, and I'm willing to put more money in it. And in my other account, I have, I think, roughly 2,000 stocks, and my goal is that if we can get IBRX around $2 to $4, I'll be putting almost 1/4 of my portfolio in it. That's the goal. And at the same time, I will be looking for more news on IBRX drugs getting approved. We know that as of today, it is approved for the bladder cancer, it is approved for lung cancer in Saudi, it is approved for some cancer in Macau. That's a very new news. So let's look at like what really happened that led today it's dropped by 30% and then recover a little bit. So FDA came after them, and FDA issued a warning letter concerning misleading promotion for its bladder cancer drug ANKTIVA. The FDA cited that the company materials falsely suggested that drug could treat all cancers. We all, I think, like anybody who is aware of the ANKTIVA knows that management is always talking about immunotherapy is the way to go for all the cancer treatments, and the Patrick is big proponent of it. So this is not a news like they are selling by saying that hey, you could treat all cancers through ANKTIVA and they are getting the sales done. That's not how it works. So where it is only approved for a specific type of BCG-unresponsive non-muscles invasive bladder cancer, we are all aware of it. So from today's news, this is not a material news that impacts the foundation of the company. The company is still on track to do its current expected revenues from ANKTIVA, and I'm guessing that they will report in the next quarter. They will have the international expansion sales coming in as well. So anyone who is aware of ANKTIVA knows that this all claim is being made throughout the ANKTIVA development as well as immunotherapy. Since the immunotherapy exists, that's the claim that's been done. So that's all good. I'm gonna do a put sell on ANKTIVA if it drops below 630, 640 something, and try to make more position in ANKTIVA. So let's talk about the another stocks. That's the another one which we flagged, Blaize. Blaize is at an interesting position as well. When we recorded it was $1.1, and we discussed about why Blaize could be a multi-bagger. The way they have developed their solution, Blaize AI processor, Blaize AI Studio, this is where they are having the differentiating factor. It's a no-code visual AI development platform enabling non-experts to deploy AI models without coding expertise. Key differentiator versus competitors. So this is on the edge computing, and we know that they have the memorandum signed with the Nokia. They have the development going on in the Asia market. So they are supposed to report earning today, and that earning should be around 17 million. I think that's for this quarter. So what we got, we are like Pulsey, and in Pulsey I have set up my Blaize alerts. So Blaize, I am interested in looking at the news which has these keywords for Blaize. And Pulsey, just a quick recap, Pulsey helps you to cut the noise. This platform will have all the news coming in, but if you are interested in certain stocks that are on your radar and you want to track them very actively, Pulsey is your way to go. You just put up your ticker and the keywords of those news, and we will have the news being captured here. So once it's been captured here, anything that comes with these keywords in the news or on the web, it will notify you. So Pulsey is a way to go to track proactive news, which you are familiar with it. And then we have a process to run throughout the day to check if something is nearby these news lines. We have also the insider buying trading tab where you can look at all the trading that is happening. We are looking to build a tracker here as well, an alert system here as well. If you see a significant buying, then you will get a notifications here. But this is something which enables us to see what people are interested in it, and together as a retail investor we can target certain stocks with the specific news, and together we can work on it to win and get the information ahead of time or probably like in line with how the institutions are getting it. So do check out pulsey.com. I'll put the link in the description below. So coming back to Blaize, again, Blaize is very uniquely positioned. They have actually 2026 revenue guidance of almost $100 million and above. So I'll be actively tracking how they do that. And today, after earnings, probably I will make another video on it to see how it is progressing. As of now, just based on the price action, I feel like Blaize gonna do really well. It seems like people are buying. So if you see the volume, it's spiking a little bit. If you go back 3-4 days back, there is no more, very minimal volume. So in 5 days, you will see that the volume bar is pretty low, but now it's getting a little bigger. So I believe, based on the price actions, someone may be aware of what's going on in the news. They are positioning heavily on Blaize, and you see that big charts are being created just right before their earnings. So they're gonna report in like an hour or so, and we'll have news here. So yeah, do check out Pulsey. Create your own news watch list, and we'll collectively hopefully track these news and alert you as soon as possible. Thank you.